Hey everyone, my name is Madeline Gross. I'll be doing Lab 12, which is Experiment 1, following chromosomatic DNA movement for meiosis. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is build a pair of replicated homogeneous chromosomes. We'll start with 20 beads of the same color to create your first sister chromosome pair. 5 beads must be snapped together for each of the 4 different strands. Alright. So I will begin with 2 different colors, and I drop the white bead. Get that for later. Alright, the first color we'll be doing is red. So let's get 5 out. Four, 5. Alright, let's begin on this end. Alright. Let's snap them together. Try to get at least some of them won't snap. I apologize, but let's get at least one snapped on there. Okay. Alright, we got 1. We got 2. We got 3. Oops, some of them disconnect. I'm sorry. Alright, this one won't snap, so I will lay it right there. So we'll lay these 2 right there. I apologize, they will not snap. Now we'll start with the other end using 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we'll begin this end. Alright, there is 1. There's 2. There's 3. There is 4, and here's the last bead. Alright, so here is the first strand. Let me try to reconnect these if I can. If not, I will just lay these right here, try to connect. Alright, in the second strand with the same color, red. Get 5 out. 2, 3, 4, and 5. I will begin on this end. Alright. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. And there is 5. Now we do the same thing. Another end. 5 beads. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Go to the other end. There's 1. Alright. This. There's 2, 3, and 5. Alright, let's go to part B. And now we connect the I-shaped sister's chromosome by the 5 whole B's to create an X shape. So I will do that. These two won't connect. Here it is. Now I will repeat this process using 20 new beads of a different color to create the second sister chromosome pair. So I will use yellow. Get 5 beads out of yellow. 3, 4, and 5. Alright, I will do the same thing. I will begin on this end. And then we connect it. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3, 4, and 5. Now we do the same thing. Get 5 more yellow beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll do the other end. There's 1. There's 2. 3, 4, and 5. Now here is the first strand of yellow. I'll begin making the second strand. Just repeat it, do the same thing. Get 5 yellow beads out. Alright, start with this end. Alright, there is 1. There's 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, do the same thing. Get 5 more yellow beads out. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Start with the other end. There's 1. There's 2. There's 3. There's 4. And there is 5. Now I will begin crossing them over. I will connect them. I will connect it like I did the red one, not crossing over. Crossing over will be in part 2. Okay. Now the second pair of the replicate sister chromosome will be using 12 beads, so 3 on each side. Alright, we will do that. I will start with red. Same colors. Alright, this time do 3 on each side. Alright, there's 1. Sorry, some of these are hard to snap on. Alright, so I'm just going to lay these to the side because some of them won't snap right. I apologize. So I'm just going to lay these aside. And then same end, using 3 of them. Hopefully some of these will snap this time. Alright, let's start with this end. There's 1, 2, try a different red. If not, I will lay it to the side. Alright, lay this one to the side. This one will also snap. Okay. There is the first strand. And now I do the second one of red. Get 3 on each side. Alright, get another bead. Alright, get on this end. There's 1, 2, and 3. Same thing, do on the other end. Alright. Alright. Now I'll connect them. Alright. Now I do another one. I do yellow and do 3 on each end. Make it 12. 1, 2, 3. And start again on this end. Alright, there's 1, 2. And 3. Do the same thing. 2, 3. There's 1. To connect the second one and then connect the third one. So here is the first strand. I will make another one. I'm sorry I don't have another white one. It's missing. There's supposed to be 8. I only have 7 of them, so I'm going to substitute it. Substitute for a pink one. And these won't connect, so I'm going to get for yellow. And I'm just going to go like this, just pair them up because I do not have a white one. I apologize. But I'm just going to put these together, and then I put 3 more in the end. 1, 2. And then these would also connect together. Apologize. Alright. Now here is my Meiosis V diagram. And I will disconnect these. Okay. That was the diagram. And now we're on part 2, which is the modellus meiosis, and this time we'll be crossing over. Okay, the first thing is we start with 20 beads of the same color to create our first sister cardamom pair. So again, we'll be using 5 beads snapped together for 4 different strands. Okay. Now again, we just do the same thing. We'll create it with an eye shape first. So get 2 different colors. I'll be using the same colors. So I got 5 beads, make an eye shape, and then here is my second strand of the eye shape, and then the red. So do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See if this one will connect. It won't, but that is okay. Here's our first strand. Put that one together, and then the second strand. Now let's snap together. Here's the second one. Now we connect the eye shape, sister chromosome with 5 beads to create an X shape. Now we connect to create the X shape. Here is one of them, of the yellow, and then we connect the red. There we go. And now we assemble the second pair of the sister chromosomes. This time we'll be using 12 of them. So here is the first one. And then here will be the second one. Let me rebuild it. We got 1, 2, and 3, and then do the same thing. 1, 2, and 3. These will connect. And then do your second pair, which be red. Alright. 3 on each side. Alright. Alright. And then get one more. Sorry, that one connects. So that, and then you will do your second pair. I don't have a white bead again, so I'm going to use the pink. Just get 3 of these, and then 1, and act like they're connected, which they are. Just don't have a white bead, I apologize. And then 3 more on this end. Okay. Now we pair up the homogeneous chromosomes that we created in 1 and 2. Did that. Now we simulate the crossing over. So we bring the 2 homogeneous pairs of sister chromosomes together. So we'll create that, and we'll exchange an equal number of beads between the 2. This will result in the chromosomes of the same original length. However, there will be new combinations of the chromosome colors. So if I had a red one, I would switch it over to the yellow, the bead crossing over. Okay, so if I had a yellow one, I would switch it over to the red. And results of crossing over. Okay, In trial 2, here is my meiosis division V diagram. That's what it looks like. Turn the page. And thank you guys for watching, and hope you have a great day.